People are enraged on both sides of the issue, and it's completely tearing this community apart.
The political divide has become deadly, with vaccine hesitancy driven by misinformation and the politicizing of the virus, leading to the harassment of healthcare workers, hospitalizations, and deaths.
Things are just escalating. The rhetoric, the bullying.
I feel like I'm in some weird twilight zone, why we're still going over wearing masks.
Just 53% of Americans are fully vaccinated. Despite the nation's early start, that rate trails more than 30 other countries. As COVID hospitalizations and deaths rise, red states with the lowest vaccination rates are driving the surge.
You got to help me get the people vaccinated.
We are suffering the most at a time when it is the most preventable.
In a recent NBC News poll, just 55% of Republicans said they were vaccinated, compared to 88% of Democrats. Among Republicans who said they support Donald Trump over the Republican Party, the number was even lower, 46%. 79% of Democrats favor a vaccine requirement. 75% of Republicans oppose it.
Do you regret not getting the vaccine?
Absolutely, I 100% regret it.
What were some of the things you were hearing?
That the vaccine was not a real vaccine, that it was like a tracking chip the government was trying to use on us.
Misinformation has spread rapidly on conservative media.
A plan is now underway to use vaccine mandates to take your guns.
Virtually everything they told us about the COVID vaccine was wrong.
And on social media.
What's in the vaccine? Give me the insert sheet.
We literally have come up with an incredibly safe and efficacious vaccine. People are behind me screaming about how it's tyranny and it's communism.
There are also sharp divisions between the two Americas over the results of the election, the January 6th insurrection, the border, guns, and abortion. Now likely to produce a national political battle leading up to the next election. The new Texas law, which bans abortion after 6 weeks, provides at least a $10,000 reward to any individual who successfully sues someone for performing, aiding, or intending to aid in an abortion, including the driver who drops a woman off at a clinic.
It's going to be nearly impossible for folks to access the care that they need.
Thrilled we are celebrating this historic day for the pro-life movement.
The Texas law is by far the most restrictive in effect. 15 states have attempted to ban abortion before viability, but have been stopped by court order. 54% of Americans say abortion should always or mostly be legal. 42% say it should always or mostly be illegal. Still, several states are already considering copycat legislation after the Supreme Court upheld the Texas law.
When the Supreme Court goes out and makes a decision like this, it clearly is going to send a signal to all the states that are interested in banning abortions.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.